for judging for tonight's retro. Our theme is retro dance contest. So basically, you should know the theme program for tonight, so that we're gonna follow as well the judging for each and every contestant. So first criteria for tonight is mastery of style. It includes command the fundamental elements of dance style, perform, erase and clean execution of moves. So this is 30%. So we are going to check each and every dancer your own style, yung mga pitik kung meron. Of course, we're going to see as well kung sabay-sabay. Kasi we are deducting points if some other members are not following the same steps, if they should follow. Parang ganun siya. And the second one is choreography and creativity, that's 25%. This includes achievement of creative and original choreography that creates interest in the performance. So this as well impacted the audience. Kasama dito yung audience if you have your own style, the performance, or the things, the stuff that you're going to bring here. So that's 25%. And the third one is synchronization, 25% again. This is the achievement of proper timing and coordinated movement and elements. So this is the timing for the music, not only for the steps that you are following with your dance, but we are going to see the timing, the countings, like on how you count the steps that you did. And we're going also to conduct the coordination, the movement, kung may pumapalya o medyo may sumasablay-sablay na steps, we're going to deduct some points. And lastly, the G factor. This is the stage presence communicated all throughout the performance. These are including the facial expression, the attitude of each members, the costume, the originality, the hairstyle, the fashion. So when we say the fashion, this should be connected to our theme tonight, which is retro. But then if some other members are not what do you call this, are not informed about this retro dance, since that I think some other members are not from this particular place, am I right? Okay, so we are still going to consider some other things for as long as the dance or the performance is okay. So as long as you are still connected with retro, some other percent of that, we're going to give you at least highest point for that. And for the time limit, we are going to check as well. We don't want groups to dance here like for a long time or an hour, something like that. But once one of my co-judges here will decided to stop the dance, then we're sorry, but we need to stop the dance if it's that prolonged already. So this is subtotally, it's 100%. Good night.
Okay, thank you. Now we understand.
So thank you very much for our winning. We presented the criteria for jury tonight.
Okay, be prepared, mga contestants.
It is very important to follow the certain criteria for you to be able to win the competition. Yes. Parang yung ano lang. Parang sabi nga ni Janine Togonon, we don't need to speak any specific language as long as you can, you have strong mind. Yes, then you can be a Miss Universe. Okay. So now, tapos na tayo sa introduction. Okay. Sa introduction and the criteria for judging. Let me give the floor to my partner for the mechanics of the competition. Yung rules na binigay.
Yes, okay. For the rules and regulation ng ating ng ating program. Yung mga contestant, syempre, hindi na natin pinayagan na may hagis-hagis kasi ayaw natin may masaktan dahil ayaw din namin magkaroon ng sakit ng ulo. Yung sobrang
maliit lang po kasi yung ating area.
mawala rin paramedic.
Hindi kasi ako nag-take ng nursing kaya hindi ako marunong first aid.
Okay na. Kaya ayun, hindi na namin pinayagan. Kasi last year, okay na yun. Pero, nanalo naman. Okay naman. Okay.
Okay, so, meron kaming sinet na time limit doon. Minimum of time limit.
Ano yan? Yung tablet? Ayun o. Ano yun nandun sa inyo? Sa bahay nyo?
So, bali, okay naman yun kasi nakala naman talaga kami set ng super strict kong rule. So, as long as na may mga accident or something, huwag naman sana, for God's sake, hindi na namin obliged na, you know, kasi before pa naman inform na hindi naman to yung super talagang contest talaga. So, it's for fun and it is for everybody to enjoy and to, yes, to show your talent. Yes. So, to move on. Tumubo talaga nila. Any reaction? Wala man lang. Hey, Arnett, our today!
Ay?
Ay? Nangangamoy na yung kilikili ko. Wala reaction.
Gising pa ba kayo?
Gising pa ba kayo? Okay mo na kayo dyan? Okay lang? Okay lang, maganda yung view ko sa likod. So, okay. Okay. Oh, what happened? It's really, nasasaka ko. Kaloka.
Uy, dumataas?
Guys, bago natin umpisahan yung contest, sana bigyan ng space si judges sa likod, baka naiinitan na.
Yes!
At sa banda po natin bisita, konting space lang po para at least magkaroon ng hangin. Para mas maganda yung performance nila mamaya. Salamat po sa mga nakikita po.
Opo.
Salamat po.
Yeah. Tabi-tabi na kasi tayo parang, may wala na ba kayo? Let's do it. Rabat-tabango. Rabat-tabango.
Okay, start na natin yung program.
Amoy-amoy na lang. Okay.
Okay.
Kerry. So, this is the final moment that we're waiting for, and this is the real thing. So, okay. Competition proper na tayo. So, para po ma-clear yung flow.